कठिन दौर है। आपाधापी भरे जीवन में अनेकों मोड़ हैं। आओ मिलकर योग अपनाएं, योग ही सफल जीवन का जोड़ है। नमस्कार, केंद्रीय विद्यालय लोकताक की ओर से आप सबको 7वें अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज का यह दिन यानी कि 21 जून न केवल हमारे देश में अपितु समस्त विश्व में योग दिवस के रूप में जाना जाता है। हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की पहल के पश्चात अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर पहली बार 21 जून 2015 को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस मनाया गया। तो आइए कार्यक्रम के आरंभ में हम अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस से संबंधित कुछ रोचक तथ्यों को जान लेते हैं। योग शब्द का शाब्दिक अर्थ है जुड़ना या मिलना। अपनी आत्मा से जुड़ना, अपनी आत्मा से कनेक्ट होना ही योग है। क्योंकि ये शरीर माध्यम है हमें अपनी आत्मा से जोड़ने का, परमात्मा से जोड़ने का, इसलिए शरीर का स्वास्थ्य योग पर आधारित होता है। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में 18 प्रकार के योग बताए गए हैं, जिसमें ज्ञान योग, कर्म योग, भक्ति योग, सांख्य योग, अनेकानेक योगों का वर्णन है। उसी प्रकार योग पर विशद व्याख्यान महर्षि पतंजलि ने अपने ग्रंथ योग सूत्र में किया है, जिसमें 195 सूत्र हैं। महर्षि पतंजलि ने योग के 8 अंग बताए हैं: यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि। महर्षि पतंजलि के अनुसार योगश्चित्तवृत्ति निरोधः अर्थात मन की चंचलता को संयमित करने का नाम ही योग है। बच्चे मन के सच्चे। जब बच्चे प्रार्थना करते हैं तो भगवान भी आतुर होते हैं उनसे मिलने के लिए, उन पर कृपा बरसाने के लिए। तो आइए कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ हम ईश वंदना से करें। शरीर माध्यम खलु धर्म साधनम, शरीर ही है जो आपको परमात्मा से जोड़ सकता है, और परमात्मा से जुड़ने के लिए आपको आत्मा से जुड़ना होगा। योग के माध्यम से न केवल हम शारीरिक रूप से स्वस्थ होते हैं, अपितु हम मानसिक रूप से भी सामर्थ्यवान बनते हैं। योग तत्व उपनिषद में 4 प्रकार के योग का वर्णन है, जिसमें मंत्र योग, लय योग, हठ योग और राजयोग का वर्णन। वर्तमान समय में जहां एक और महामारी का कहर है, लोग चारों तरफ नकारात्मक विचारों से युक्त हो चुके हैं, आवश्यक है इस समय कि हम योग के माध्यम से शांति का अनुभव करें, और न केवल शांति का अनुभव अपने शरीर में करें, अपितु अपने मन की चंचलता को स्थिर करें। मैं निवेदन करता हूं हमारे परमादरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय से, वो अपने आशीर्वचनों से हमें कृतार्थ करें। परमादरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय।
To all students and staff of Kendriya Vidyalaya Loktak, I hope you all enjoy summer holidays 2021. This summer holidays was quite a long time, starting from 3rd May till 20th June 2021. And today is the reopening day of the school. Today happened to be a very important day in the history of India. Our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, his contributions in bringing yoga, one of the important activity of UN. And because of that, today the whole world is celebrating International Yoga Day, a very important yoga. It has been shared to all the people in the world and liked by all the people of the world. Why? Because this yoga help us to have active mind, active physical, able to do many physical activities also, mental activities also. So because of that, we all are participating in the International Yoga Day, a very important day. Since last year 2020, say beginning from March 2020 till date, we are confined at home, and then we are doing our studies through online activities, and we are confined at home. We have not met you for a long time. Some of you have grown so big, so tall. You have different voice. You are changing. You are developing physically, mentally. Because of the pandemic situation, we could not meet you. And here, the student of the higher classes, they were coming to school for a short time, 1 month or 2 months like that. Then after that, again it is closed again. So our activities is confined through online class. We will be participating online class, consulting subject teachers, contacting class teachers for any problem, your subject teachers. So we are continuing like this. So at this junction, when we are confined, even we are also confined at home, not only in the school, we cannot come to school, but we are confined at home also. So our movement is all restricted. So doing yoga become very important. Through doing yoga, you may be stretching out your hand, maybe you are stretching out your body, or you are bending. You are lifting up your leg. So different kinds of yoga, what do you call the postures. I just like to say the yoga postures given by your yoga teacher, Madam Tombi. The picture was very clear and it is in color. By seeing that one, I think you'll be able to do it by yourself. Very easy. So, but what is important is that wholeheartedly we have to uh, what do you call that, we have to do, we have to observe, then only the difference will come to in your body. That is why on the day of yoga, International Yoga Day, this is my advice to all the students, to all the teachers. We all should take part in doing yoga. Then only I think we will have a difference in our body, in our mind. So it should be done, what do you call that, in such a way that it really helps you, not simply थोड़ा देख के थोड़ा करेगा थोड़ा छोड़ देगा, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. So it is my advice to all the students from class 2 onwards, 2 to class 12, and also to all the staffs. We all should be doing yoga. At this junction, the only way out is that we have to move our body, our hand, our leg, our back, our, so what do you call that? It can be done confined in the room, or in the on what do you call the in your veranda at home, or if you have got a little space, so you can do it very easily. So this is my advice. This is my words to all of you, that we all do something and then we'll get something, and then we should be doing happily. The pictures, the yoga's posters in the pictures given by Madam Mentombi, it is very clear, very simple. Please see that one. And then we may not be doing all, but at least what do you call that, what has been given. So those are the, what do you call that, posters given. So we have to follow this one. So not only this exercises, this yoga, but also some other activities will be followed for at least 1 week. Say for example, yoga quiz will be continuing from tomorrow onwards. So you'll be informed about that. So once again, all the students and teachers, we are meeting through online. This is the only means. So don't get discouraged. If you have got any problem, you ask your the subject teacher, your class teacher, okay, and then contact them, and then use attend online class properly, use the mobile properly. It should be only for this study matter. Okay, so this is what I like to tell to all the students especially. So we have to be very, very careful. So take care of your health, and then all the precaution, all the restriction, all the things that you are going to do at home, you please do it properly, so that you'll stay healthy. Then you'll be able to take part in all the activities. With all these words, I'd like to conclude. I like to wish all the students, all the teachers and staff a very happy International Yoga Day.
धन्यवाद सर, आपका ज्ञान प्राप्त करके, आपसे इतना सारा नॉलेज प्राप्त करके सभी छात्र एवं समस्त दर्शक आविर्भूत हुए होंगे, धन्य हुए होंगे, ये मुझे अपेक्षा है। किम किम न साधयति विशिष्ट योग विद्या। योग विद्या के द्वारा क्या है ऐसा जो कि साधा नहीं जा सकता, प्राप्त नहीं किया जा सकता। तो आइए, योग से क्या फ़ायदे हैं, योग कैसे करना चाहिए और क्या सावधानियां रखनी चाहिए, इसकी जानकारी के लिए मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय लोकताक की योग शिक्षिका का आह्वान करता हूं, जिनके द्वारा आप योग के फ़ायदे और सावधानियों को जानेंगे।
Good health. In this record, the World Health Organization has also urged its member states to help their citizens reduce physical inactivity, which is among the top 10 leading causes of death worldwide and a key risk factor for non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and diabetes. But yoga is more than a physical activity. In the words of one of its most famous practitioners, the late B.K.S. Iyengar, yoga cultivates the way of maintaining a balanced attitude in day-to-day life and endows skill in the performance of one's actions. Now, why do we mark International Day? International Day are occasions to educate the public on issues of concern, to mobilize political will and resources to address global problems, and to celebrate and reinforce achievement of humanity. The existence of international days predates the establishment of the United Nations, but the United Nations has embraced them as a powerful advocacy tool. We also mark other United Nations observance. Now, I want to end my words and finally want to say that it would not be an exaggeration to say that yoga is necessary for us in every way. It is very good for our physical, spiritual, and mental health, satisfaction in mind. Peace and energetic feelings are realized through yoga, which makes our valuable life stress-free and moves forward with positive energy. And lastly, to all, practice yoga for half an hour or 1 hour a day, and the remaining 23 or 23 half hours live healthily and happily. Thank you all, and have a nice day.
धन्यवाद मैम। आपके द्वारा बताई गई सावधानियां और फायदे को हम सब ने जाना और समस्त दर्शक इसको अपने जीवन में अप्लाई भी करेंगे, ये अपेक्षा है। योगः कर्मसु कौशलम, कर्म में कुशलता ही योग है। तो मैं आह्वान करता हूँ केंद्रीय विद्यालय लोकताक के आर्ट टीचर श्री करणजीत सर के लिए, वो आएँ और अपने ज्ञान से समस्त छात्रों और दर्शकों को आविर्भूत करें।
Good morning, respected principals, respected teachers, and my dear student. We all know that today is June 21, 2021, and this date is declared as International Yoga Day by the United General Assembly. And this year's focus on yoga for well-being. The International Day for Yoga is particularly relevant to the mental and physical health dimensions of the world at the time when the pandemic flipped over the life and livelihoods of the people globally. In fact, this invaluable gift from our ancient Indian worked wonder on the people in distress, whether during the pandemic or at stressful time on any day. Unlike many others physical activity, yoga is an easy, practicable choice for people to foster good mental and physical health. It can be practiced by anyone, almost anywhere. All one need is a good enough space and the knowledge of the technique. Our Nordic people always have a strong sporting culture. Likewise, our Indian government is also encouraging the people to include yoga and various other sport activity for different age group and ability and interest to be practiced regularly. The benefit of yoga is therefore beyond holistic health. The positive impact of yoga will surely continue to reach the wider community. I wish all every success in our endeavor to promote yoga. May every one of you enjoy good health and a joyful experience in today's event. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
धन्यवाद सर। आपका ज्ञान प्राप्त करके, आपसे इतना सारा नॉलेज प्राप्त करके सभी छात्र एवं समस्त दर्शक आविर्भूत हुए होंगे, धन्य हुए होंगे, ये मुझे अपेक्षा है।
Good morning, everybody, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as a part of Yoga Day, I am Narmada from Class 9 presenting a speech on benefits of yoga. So, first of all, I would like to talk about what is yoga. Yoga is an old discipline from India. It is both spiritual and physical. Yoga uses breathing techniques, exercise, and meditation. It helps to improve health and happiness. Yoga is a Sanskrit word for union. Patanjali was a pioneer of classical yoga. He defined yoga as the cessation of the modification of the mind. A person doing yoga will move from one posture called asana to another. But there are also other aspects which are important in yoga, such as breath work, mantras, mudras, posture of the hand and fingers, meditation, and much more. For more information, check out the Yoga Sutras. For example, the sun salutation contains 12 poses of asanas, one after the other, and is said to help balance body and soul. There is a specific mantra for each asana. The sun salutation is popularly known as Surya Namaskar. Benefits of yoga. Yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility. Yoga helps with back pain relief. Yoga can ease arthritis symptoms. Yoga benefits heart health. Yoga relaxes you to help you sleep better. Yoga can mean more energy and brighter moods. Yoga helps you manage stress. Yoga improves your posture. Yoga helps you to keep your joint healthy. Yoga is a powerful mindfulness practice. Yoga lowers your blood pressure. Yoga improves respiratory system. Yoga helps you to lose weight. Yoga helps you to make healthier life choice. Thank you and have a nice day.
योग हमारे जीवन का एक आवश्यक अंग होना ही चाहिए। आपके पास किसी कार्य को करने के लिए समय हो अथवा ना हो, लेकिन योग को आप नियमित रूप से कीजिए। ये भारत का प्राचीन विज्ञान है जिसको आज समस्त विश्व मान रहा है। तो आइए अब आरंभ करते हैं कुछ चलचित्र, कुछ वीडियोस जो केंद्रीय विद्यालय लोकताक के समस्त शिक्षकों और छात्रों द्वारा किए गए योगाभ्यास से संबंधित है। तो आइए आनंद लें कि हमारे छात्रों के द्वारा किस प्रकार से योगासन किया जा रहा है। तो आइए आरंभ करें।
Oma. हो गया.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है ऋतकृति बोरा। मैं कक्षा 8 में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरे विद्यालय का नाम है केंद्रीय विद्यालय लोकटाक NSPC मणिपुर। मैं आज कुछ आसना करने जा रही हूँ। One, two, three, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
बहुत ही उत्साहवर्धक प्रस्तुति थी हमारे छात्रों, शिक्षकों और समस्त लोकताक परिवार की ओर से, जो नित्य निरंतर अपने दैनिक जीवन में योग को अपनाते हैं, योग को करते हैं और स्वास्थ्य लाभ प्राप्त करते हैं। तो आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अब मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापन के लिए केंद्रीय विद्यालय लोकताक की शिक्षिका श्रीमती विद्या कुमारी मैम को बुलाना चाहता हूं। विद्या कुमारी मैम।
Hello, good morning to all. I, on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Loktak family, extend heartfelt gratitude to all the members of Kendriya Vidyalaya Loktak family for their valuable contribution towards the observance of the 7th International Day of Yoga today, that is 21st June 2021. We are highly grateful to our respected principal sir, Shri M. Solomon, for his able guidance and valuable support. We also extend our gratitude to our teachers and students, teachers, especially Abhishek sir and Yoga ma'am, Mrs. Memtombi, for their valuable speeches, and teachers and students for their valuable yoga videos. We do hope the week-long celebration of International Day of Yoga would surely give way to unity of mind and body and thought and action. Thereby, we achieve the integral part of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan education system, that is fit mind and body. Once again, thank you very much.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, माँ कश्चित् दुर्भाग् भवेत्। सभी सुखी हों, सभी निरोगी हों, सभी का कल्याण हो और कोई दुख का भागी ना हो। इसी शुभकामना के साथ इस कार्यक्रम का हम समापन करते हैं। अपने राष्ट्र के प्रति समर्पण हेतु इस कार्यक्रम के समापन पर हम राष्ट्रगान का आरंभ करेंगे। सभी लोग अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।